What is up, my shredheads? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're here with White Mike, Shav's last ride actually on this channel, and of course, none other than Bomber Marv. Before we get started on this video, if you guys do want to support the channel, please check out that link down below for the Ariel Rider Grizzly. And also, if you're interested in the Chai Gladiator battery, check out that link down below. Use code Shreddie, get 5% off your order. Also, if you're interested in getting the BAC 4000 from Greenline Engineering, make sure you check out that link down below. Use code Shreddie, get free shipping on your order. If none of those products are for you, check out all those other links down below. There might be a bike you like. So White Mike has brought his Ariel Rider X-Class again. Can you tell us about the upgrades you've gotten?
So now it is an X72. So the big change is this 72 volt 25 amp battery, and if you come up underneath, it runs to this 80 amp controller.
Very awesome setup.
So I can run the stock battery, which will only get me up to like 30, but I can run this back battery, which will take me up to like 49. Got this sweet regen button. So instead of hitting the brake, I push the regen button and it engages the regen on the motor. And the motor itself is a 3,000 watt QS motor.
And Bomber Marv, of course, he's on some crazy souped up e-bike because he's crazy.
No other way, 74.
And
So
what
you
you've
know,
done.
it's a Rayvolt Cruiser, you know, did a full battery upgrade here, 72 volt, another 72 volt here, running 51 amp hours. Got a upgraded motor and an upgraded controller. Top speed's right around 75 right now.
Woo!
We getting up there in
Just
the
something
speed.
slight.
That thing kicks ass, guys. Comment down below. Let us know what you guys think about both of these awesome souped up e-bikes. Hey, yeah, Bomber Marv, thanks.
All right, man.
Hey guys, so today I'm on the Ariel Rider Grizzly V2,
Yes.
and it's got 2 batteries. It's an electric bike, so it runs off electricity, not gasoline. It has a cup holder for my iced coffee right here, and it's got storage room. I got a sweatshirt, sweatpants, 2 pairs of shorts. I got my fucking rider bag in here.
All right, guys, we're on the streets on the SurRon. I freaking love this bike, guys. You guys know that. So right now I'm running 5,000 watts on this SurRon. Usually I keep it around 3,000. I might turn it down a little bit since I think today's ride we're probably going to be hitting around 40 plus miles on this. Look at that thing, guys. You guys got to comment down below. Please let me know what you think about that thing. I love the look of that. We're about 2 miles away from where we started, so let me track our ride now. Just so you guys know, I can bring out the GLE dashboard on my phone so I can change any kind of the tuning on this bike. I could also put it in reverse. This bike has a reverse, park, neutral, and drive, which is pretty insane. See that curb? I hit that so hard. Now you can hang with us, bro. Oh shit! I can't believe he's pedaling that fast. What the hell? Turn, bitch! All right, next spot, Exxon. 84 volts is full.
Well, this one here, I have it set to only go up to 83.
Yeah.
So you
But I
started at full 83? Oh, okay.
82.3, 82.4 volts or something. Still sitting at 81.5.
And we've been ripping. I started the tracker about 2 miles into the ride, so about 7 miles. Let's get a high five for the channel. Hell yeah.
Oh man, 3-pack a day habit.
Where are you guys riding to?
We're staying down at Ocean City for like a kind of rally.
Oh, you're heading all the way up to Ocean City. Hell yeah, that's awesome. Love taps. Love you, bro. Love you, bro. Love you, bro.
Thank you.
Much love. Shav's bike may die. He's around 51 volts on his batteries. They usually die around 43 volts. We're gonna get him charged up. Luckily, he brought the charger. I forgot to bring the charger for this, but I should be good with the 60 amp hour battery. Should last pretty long. I might tune it down a little bit. All right, we are halfway to the inlet bridge. This is the bay side. Over here on the left, over that is the beach. So this is only like a little thin strip of land. It's pretty cool. Oh yeah. 5,000 versus, I don't know what he's running right now. Holy shit! 48. 48.4. Yeah. You crushed my 5,000. Guys, we've ridden 10.5 miles and my battery says it's at 79%, so that's not bad. Keep your feet down or you're gonna eat it. Dual motor, that's the way to go. Yeah, Shav! Yo, Bomber Marv is ripping through the sand on a cruiser bike right now. Yep. Beating us with these freaking treaded tires and everything. What the hell, Bomber?
What's taking you so so
How do you do that? So what the hell is all those creatures?
No, there's a whole bunch of little crabs, man.
Freaking aliens.
What took you so long?
You know, motherfuckers always go, hey, let's go off road. And then it's like, we're in 7 foot of swamp sand life. It's like, how the fuck? I know you on the cruiser, man, but
I got no tread, man.
Oh, come on.
Come on, man. Look at this. They're like slugs, bro.
What in the world?
Little crabs, man.
Look at that. Wow. Woo. Oh, whoa. You rolled it out very good. That was
a good rollout.
That was a very good rollout.
It ripped the bag.
I'm fine.
So was that your first fall in one of our group rides here? I think
That's
that was
my first.
That was
fall
number
in
one.
one of
Yeah.
the rides, yeah.
Damn. And Bomber Marv has 0. He's gonna keep that forever though, because he can't.
On video.
I think this is called Thompson's Island or something, or Burton's Island. One of those two guys.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yes,
sir.
This stuff, it's like you gotta keep just going, dude. This is like rock, sand, all types of stuff. That is so much fun. I need to find some kind of like off-road course with like little jumps to learn how to jump this thing. Oh, we got the little pedigos. Charge it up, charge it up. Ah, no, I'm just kidding. We're at 76% battery and we've done 14.4 miles. Remember, I was at 100% on this. Not sure what the voltage is on it though. I might have to turn on the egg rider to get that, but maybe we'll check that at the end of the ride. Hammerhead's Dockside, we always come here. We love this place, guys. Last time you heard they treated us like crap though, but all those people are gone.
That was kind of crazy.
Yummy. Edamame. Got me some boneless wings.
I have to get in touch with a couple of
Destroyed! Destroyed!
I'm almost done.
Partially destroyed.
Aesthetically, it comes with the handlebars I already like.
We've been sitting around here for like 45 minutes having too much fun. Usually that's how it goes. We stop and talk for a while. Say bye-bye, Dee. Love you. You've got the touch. You've got the power. That thing's a beast, dude. All right, there goes Matt the mechanic and D. Bomber Marv just took off. Hopefully he turns around at the next roundabout here. Hey, Bomber Marv. Yeah. Come back. They just got here.
Yeah, I know. Come on, you're coming back this way, right?
Yeah, I guess so, yeah. All right, we'll come back that way. All right, this is danger zone right here, guys. Sounded like somebody's kickstand just went up. Damn, that was dangerous. So freaking sketchy, guys. Oh my God. Shav, you riding a little sketchy right now. Too close to that lane. Oh my God. How you liking that thing?
I love it.
Love it? Better now with that 72 volt?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. Love you, bro. No, we have to stop at lights. Only stop signs that we can roll through.
Bicyclists can go through.
No, I read that you have to stop at stoplights.
You can just make it stop.
No. That's not the law. In Delaware, you have to stop at the lights. It's only the stop signs that you can roll through, as long as there's no other cars. Don't listen to Matt. He'll get arrested. This we can roll through. That's legal. All right, let's do a little range check. We've gone 25.8 miles. Wow, I can't believe we've gone that far. I'm down to 60% on the battery, and we've been going pretty hard on these bikes today. It is Easter all the time for them guys there, right? There's your sleepiest president's house over there. Little blue house. Good job, Matt the mechanic, on that rack. Looks cool.
Check it out. It's like sunny.
This is the Gordon's Pond Trail. We're headed to the Lewis side from the Rehoboth side. It gets really dusty back here, so I got my goggles on. And be careful on this stuff, guys. It is slippery. The beautiful Natty! Look at that. Look at that. It's so beautiful.
Everybody hates us.
The old lady that was right back here, she was on my side. She was like, Jesus Christ. I'm like, stay on your side.
She was on my side. Then she went back to the other side,
Oh,
and
did
then she said something about to me, and I'm like, get off the way, bitch.
I'm like, what are you doing over here? Get on your own side.
All right, this is where we open it up, guys. Please no deer, please no deer, please no deer. Dude, he's got the hardtail. How is he riding back here? Look at this. We get to ride this all the time, guys. It's so awesome. Hey guys, if you guys are ever in the Lewis, Rehoboth, Dewey Beach area, definitely give me a shout. I'll take you on a fun little ride like this. Now, I guess there's no better time than right now. I'd like to thank all the past, present, and future subscribers, because without you guys,
Any side trails or what?
wouldn't be hanging out with this dude, wouldn't be hanging out with that guy, wouldn't be hanging out with that dude, and wherever Matt the mechanic's mom is, she's back there, wouldn't be hanging out with here either. Thank you guys all for the awesome support. Literally feels like we're like not even in Delaware. We're in another country out here, I swear. Nat Geo land. Bomber Marv always coming to the rescue. 5,000 watts right now. Oh my God. 5,000 watts is a little bit weak for that. Let's see at 13,000. Like nothing! If you guys are enjoying this ride up until now, don't forget to drop a like, please. What's up, Bomber Marv?
What's going on?
How's that bike doing?
Man, it's doing great, man. Still sitting at 77 volts.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
We've gone like over 30 miles.
Yeah.
And we've been cruising. You've been cruising.
Yeah.
Holy crap. That's awesome.
Good.
Dairy Queen is not dinner, Matt.
Fair enough.
All right, we'll see you guys. Guys, I thought his battery was dead. Look at Bomber Marv. For good times and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for.
No man left behind.
Dude, they're going like 30. How funny is that? You guys are going like 30.
25. Keep him right at 25 mile an hour.
Honestly, though, like I don't even need to bring batteries.
You just have Mark push it. Jeez. What an awesome day, guys. What an awesome video. Look at this. It never fails to happen. This always happens on our long fun group rides. But like I always say, we never leave a man behind. Woo! Wait, Mike, let me try your bike right quick. Whoa! Holy crap! Wow! This has a nice smooth throttle. The way it like ramps up, that feels awesome. Oh, he's got the regen, so you can lightly hit the brakes, and it slows down very nicely. Wow! All right, he put me on 3. Let's go to 5. With my SurRon throttle, I hit it, and it's just like touchy. With this, you can floor it. You can feel it ramping up, but it's really smooth feeling. So crazy getting on a Ariel Rider that goes this fast. Oh my goodness, I hit 34 right there. Holy crap. Wow, guys. This is insane. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this bike. This thing is awesome. So pretty much 40 miles because I turned it on a little bit late on the app, about 2 miles in. Down to 39% on the battery. Remember, I had a full charge on this. 57.5 volts left on the battery. So a full charge on this is 67 volts. So we did about 40 plus miles, right? 41
yeah,
miles.
about 40 miles.
And we're at 57.5 volts.
Okay.
Not bad at all.
Here I am still at 75 volts.
It was like 75.5. Yeah. Holy crap, that battery is awesome.
Yeah.
Wow.
Not
and it's
bad.
a 72 volt battery, so that thing kicks ass.
Yeah.
The secret is that Marv actually stores extra batteries.
He puts the cells in his tires, front and rear.
5.6 volts.
Not bad at all. Hell yeah.
Pretty good.
Say goodbye to Shav. We love you, bro. I'm gonna miss you, homie. Yeah. Bomber Marv, we love you, brother. Awesome freaking ride. White Mike, we love you, brother. Awesome ride. We love your bike. Time. Guys, I don't know if Bomber Marv is willing to part with that anytime soon. Same thing with Mike.
The price is right, or you can buy Eddie's and I can upgrade his and we can still make a good deal for you.
Comment down below, let us know. And guys, as always, if you want to support the channel, please check out all those links down below. Check out that link for Ariel Rider. Check out that link for the Gladiator battery or any battery at Chai Battery Systems. Use code SHREDDIE to get 5% off your order. If you're interested in the BAC 4000 from Greenline Engineering, check out that link down below. Use code SHREDDIE, get free shipping. If none of these products are for you, check out all those other links down below. There might be a bike you like. So guys, as always, if you guys want to support the channel, please consider subscribing, hitting that like button, and ringing that notification to be notified when I'm making videos. And are you guys ready for the moment of silence for the subscribe button? In 3, 2, 1, hit subscribe, heads down. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next SUR ride, and Shav, we'll see you soon, brother.